arm. I'm not going to show too much of my arm on the video, but yeah, when I walk into frame, you'll see what's going on with my arm already. So yeah, today the video kind of different. It's more of an educational video because I personally learned a lot from replaying them clips and just replaying the whole situation in my head. So I figure might as well project the learning lesson on to everybody else. Check it, because that is what we have the platform for. So a lot of my footage ended up getting corrupted. So when we rode down from up north to Denry, all that footage corrupted, so I cannot even put that in the video anyway. So that video going to start from when we already in Viewport already. So I'm going to play the footage from there, and then when the situation happened, I'm going to jump back in and kind of explain what go on a little better. But yeah, we say even though that video not like the regular videos, it's still in the regular programming. Every single video you have a chance to be shouted out when you leave a comment, like and subscribe. So I can pop up a comment on the screen somewhere around there from the last video. You all know already. Big up yourself, one Nick, one love. Boom. Yeah.
I'm not leaning back. I'm not leaning back. I'm not leaning back. Yeah. Hey, my pouch open. What happened? Dirty mat. Yeah, me say, so we just come from KFC there to check it, and now that we're heading on the base. We're supposed to link up with some people, as I was saying earlier, but we don't know what really going on yet. Hey, they have an event or something there, man. Drag races them man doing there? Yeah, me say, so we reach on the base now then, like it looking like it's a race car thing that going on there. I'm gonna have a computer in that okay. Yeah, me say, look them, that man going and do a, I feel I'm going and do a drag there or something. Up it bad man. Oh, see? Mob! Oh, see? Bike and car, doggy. What?
That bike not.
Oh, that one put that up and that one put that straight one side. Dog. I go get them, man. So you putting them things up to it? Yeah, oh. The T-Max. Yeah. I want to ask someone to see inside that, but I can watch inside. I just want to see inside. I recording a little video. Yeah, I even know what I really watching there, to be honest. Once I see the computer, that is all I need to know. I just know once it have a computer in it, don't try and race it. Mob. I even know what I watching there. Yeah, me see, that's how we on a hot rod there. Oi, what? Oi. Oi, what? I go like, when I'm gonna tell Matty, yeah, bike man. That man don't lie because the watch out that man hold. Mob. Me say we going 30 miles per hour. I'm the coasting. Mob, what? Yeah man, that one out. Hold it bad man. Hold it bad man. What? Yeah boy, that man out. Set it up. So, oi, that man doing that around the corner, him up. Hold it. What? Oh, you see what Diamond doing? That is what I have to learn now, okay? Drop that back, slow it down more. Let me see, so we come back on the base now that we just went to see what's going on, so I just getting to know, like, as there's have cars on the base there. A lot of the times, like, them when there's kind of fight down the bikers, so there's have a little clash. But yeah, more. Yeah, I feel that is where the clash coming in. You see as that GTR passed that man on the bike there so hard. Boy, you see, I just went to see what's going on because it looked like it's a zinger lot going on there. Just go and take a little one to up and down because it looked like they finally free up the place.
You can go down there, you can look like
Down the middle.
Just come and go in, man.
Doggy. Sir. Come back.
Let me say, so I just have to hop back in right there. I just have to pause the video for a little while to show, like to kind of explain what happened. A lot of people had questions on what exactly happened, whether the back brakes were too hot, whether I panicked. Different questions. So basically, what happened first of all, and I go in based off the advice people gave me and me looking back at the video and kind of reflecting on what I was even thinking at the time. Where I first went wrong, the throttle control. I gave way too much throttle, way too much. You can see I hold it smooth for a little while and then out of nowhere I give it like a handful of throttle. This one sent me all the way back for the bike to script. And my intention was never to script the bike. So it was the throttle control. Next it would be the ABS, because if I had to press on the back brake, the brakes would not hold because I still have my ABS, and that's not a very smart decision when you're trying to, let's say if you're trying to really turn off your ABS, disable your back ABS. If you want, you can leave your front, but you see your back ABS, turn that off, because you see when you're in a situation so, and you have to go and slam on them back brakes, it will not hold. And second, the third thing is me panicking, because since my intention was never to script the bike, when the bike goes so far back, you can see like my legs just come out. Your foot should never leave your bike. So that is where I go on again. Throttle control, ABS, panicking. Never panic. Never. And I didn't follow rule number 1 either. Hold it, never drop it. I didn't follow that rule. They say always hold it, never drop it. Check it. Do as I say, not as I do. Today, I'm going to show you all the damages the bike has. It's not any major damages. I feel like I have no damages on the bike, but I will show you why I didn't ride the bike back up now. Let me say, first of all, you see that tail piece. When I was ordering parts for the bike, I was thinking about ordering a tail tidy, so it would have been right on there and my plate would have been mounted here and my indicators would have been coming out there, so it wouldn't have that metal piece. That metal piece on that saved the entire rear end of the bike, doggy. Like my tail light, that saved the entire tail light. So that's one thing. I could have still rolled up north without that, but what stopped me from riding up north was the stator cover right there. So you can see at the bottom here, I can't really use both of my hands, but at the bottom here it cracked, but that's an easy fix. So I ordered the case for that already. I ordered the case already, so the case is going to be getting there very soon. What else? The slider and the lever and the fair intake, a little thing right there. That's all the damage the bike has. So me say y'all might not see me for probably 2-3 weeks, but big up all of y'all that check on me, whatever it is. That's a learning lesson, me say. As small things, I going to be back on the bike as soon as possible. But big up all of y'all, big up all the people on the base as well that helped me out. Big up Dirty Matt too, big up Pat. Me say big up Pat that especially. That man come from up north Rosalie, come down Viewford and pick me up with the pickup. So I could have gotten a ride back up north, so I didn't have to leave the bike Viewford. That's what I was really busting my head on at the time. Like, how I go get the bike up north? I didn't want to leave the bike Viewford and try and figure out how to get it up another day. So big up Packers for down and big up everybody that was there for me that day. Big up Dirty Matt, big up Peas, big up the whole of NBP. But big up everybody, doggy. Big up everybody. We're going to be back soon. We're going to be back stronger and better. Next time, you're going to see me script that and I'm going to hold it more. You check it? I'm going to hold it. I tell you something. So, you go see that me say I go be back very, very soon. Yeah, one link, one love. Y'all know already. Boom.